I am Samuel Decker. I'm gonna take this gum out. I am Samuel Decker, and I am the band leader, the songwriter, and kind of the visionary for the look and style of our band and our kind of like story. The act is called Doma Kid. That is the character I play. I've been playing instruments since my mother started teaching me piano when I was very young. I remember she was the first person to teach me music, and it's been that ever since. I kind of picked it up it kind of exponentially in high school, and I just started wanting something was driving me to keep doing music, to keep writing songs, because I felt like a release playing stuff that I write and what other people write, but just playing it in my own kind of way, or just as me performing something. That's I guess why I stuck with it. This is the newest stride that I'm making seriously in music. Yeah, I think you are everything that made you, and every person who you interacted with or showed you music, or every band you listened to. So I'm just trying to be a reflection of that, because it's a lot harder to make music that you haven't emotionally connected with before, or doesn't bring anything emotionally out of you from your past. Doma Kid is just me really focusing on that, and really making sure that what I make is unique as shit, is that it's because it's me and no one else is me. The song is called Seatbelts, and it's exploring the relationship between the human experience and technology. And it's kind of just trying to say technology is all technology. The map to us 500 years ago is the internet is to us in the present day. You gotta question where you are, and constantly, now that how fast technology is changing, because it's never rapidly advanced in human history this quickly as that we know of and that we have studied. So it's just examine where you are, what you're doing. Shit's crazy.